Today I'm gonna show you how to program a employee computing the net income of employee and its Kinsina, and can be saved to a text file, and that can be edited and delete. Let's get started. Okay, now let me introduce to you to my program. This program lets the user to input data for employees and computes net income, Kinsina, and displays highest and lowest income among the inputted employees. So I'll give you a look at. So here, this is the part that this is a string that displays the ID of an employee, the name, the job title. As you can see, I use while loop so that it lets the user use the program continuously and choose which one to run again. So these are the choices from above. So, and then I use switch statement. It is also similar to if else statement. It provides an easy way to dispatch execution to different parts of codes based on the value of the expression which is given from above. Here are the cases. Case 4 for display lowest, case 5 for record, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and I got 8 cases right there. So for better understanding the execution of my program, I will separate each of the 8 programs based on their group or execution. So as you can see, each cases has a function. Has a function called for example, at case 7 it calls read text, so that it can read the data from the text file, and 8 for save text, that saves data for text file. So here, let's get started. So first, this is a program where you can create a new record. Add a new record of an employee. So yeah, as you can see, I display this compute income and add record. I separated this from our code so that you can understand more. And yeah, this compute income is important part of code. It solves or compute for the Kinsina and net income of an employee. So yeah, it's right there. Yeah, as you can see, it's case 1. Add record. Then this is the add record. Void add record. And yeah, as you can see, the one I highlighted, it calls compute income, which this compute income will be executed. And then in the case, I call add record so that add record will be executed. It's just like, yo, can you solve this for me, yo? Then compute income says, okay, bro. Then yeah. Then second, display. Let's the user display income of the imported employee. Yeah, as you can see, it's right there. that car test ID is, it retrieves ID and check, it retrieves ID from the user, then check if it exists or not. Then uh, then this statement right there, a function that compares two strings. If the inputted ID is found in data below, will be executed. That printf to that new line will be executed if the ID that the user inputted will be exist. Then as you can see, case 2 calls display income, so the display income will be executed. Then third display highest. So now we're going to do display highest, our case 3. So as you can see, it calls compute income again. So wait, I'm gonna put the compute income right there. Compute income, copy, paste. Okay, so here is the compute income, and it is called by display highest. So hey, compute income, can I ask something for you? Please compute for deduction that income we can see over the employee, please. Okay, after the execution of compute income, uh, it will display the name of the data of the employee that has the highest income among the input employees of the user. So compute income gives values for total deduction, net income, net income, and Kinsina. Okay, right there. Case 3 calls display highest, and then display highest calls for compute income, so that it will work. Now we're gonna go to the fourth case, which is the display lowest. Oops. Okay, display lowest again. In case 3 is display highest, so this case is display lowest. So these are the formula to identify which which among the employee has the lowest income. So case 4 calls for display lowest. So if the user inputted 4, so the program automatically calls for display lowest then for execution, and display lowest calls for compute income for execution. So we're gonna put compute income there. Okay, right here, compute income, so that it can give values for total deduction, net income, and Kinsina. Right there. So you can see I use a variable g for the declaration for lowest, and g is equals to j, which is the data of the employee. Values will be given by compute income. So these are the values that will be given for compute income. Okay, now we go to the fifth case, which is to update. Let's the user update record or update information of the employee. This car test will test ID if it exists, or reads checks the ID read. Oh, I forgot to put the break there. Excuse me. Okay, again I use string case CMP for comparing string 1 and string 2 without sensitivity to case. Now as you can see, case 5 calls update record, so this update record above will be executed. It's right there, right there. So this will be executed. So if the user input 5, then it is calling the update record. So it's right there from the instruction above. So yeah, it will be executed. Then it lets the user input the new and the updated ID, name, job title, rate per hour, number of hours rendered, number of defendants. So it's just like you're creating a new data, but the existing data you want to create, it will be gone or will be deleted and changed to the updated one. So now let's go to the sixth case, which is the delete record. So as you can see, sixth case, it lets the user delete a record that he wishes to delete. So you need to input ID again for which user you want to delete. Yeah, it's just like updating, but this is different. It will delete permanently, and the data of the employee will be gone. Now let's go to the seventh case, which is to read text from the file. It is quite hard to code this. Reading from text file. Case 7. As you can see, case 7 calls read text, so the read text will be executed. Or the one that I highlighted there will be the syntax, or f open employee the text r. It is for reading, and if it doesn't exist, it puts couldn't open file and then exit immediately. And calls read text for execution. So this is the one that I highlighted. It will be printed in the program. Then this will be used for scanning what is from the file so that it can be printed. So now let's go to the 8th case, which is our last case. Save text from text file. That's the user save the inputted data of employees to text file. So here, as you can see, case 8 calls for save underscore text for execution. Then the codes for save text will be executed, like here fprintf file pointer data field pointer to data field. Let's just save the data to text file. That is the syntax for saving the information from to the text file. Then W for writing. Then A for appending, which is editing or something like that. Appending. Then if the user inputted 8 for save and then exit, and save successfully will be displayed so that it lets the user know that the data he inputted has been saved to the text file. Save successfully. Then the program exit. So if the user's choice are not from um is doesn't exist from the cases 1 to 8, if you input 9, the program terminates immediately. And let him or her know that the choices he inputted is not in the program. So now here, right there. So let's run this program. If it works, right there, I choose to for display program, display income. So that, as you can see, it displays right there. And okay, and put another employee data. Then we click 4 for highest, 3 for highest. Yeah, there. So as you can see, you is the highest, has the highest gross income among the two employees, me and you. So me must be the lowest. Okay, I'm gonna unhighlight this. See, then okay, we'll update the data of me, which is as the ID of 2. So here, employee record saved, so it must be updated successfully. So let's see. Let's see if it updated successfully. 2, then 5, new input ID, input employee ID 5, which the one we updated. So here it worked. So now let's see if saving to text file will work. So 8, save successfully. Then let's open the text file. Wait, I minimize this one. Let's see. So here, employee text. Oh, here. It saved the text file. So that's it. Thank you. For further information, you can view this code. I put some definition for some codes there. I put some function for the codes. So thanks for watching. Good day.